Dear Bhagavan, lately I don't want to do anything, but the thought is coming that I have to do something urgently, otherwise I won't have money, I won't be able to provide for the family, and I will spend my life in a passive and dull manner. But I feel that this thought is fear-based and based on the lack of faith. If I entrust the silence and stop listening to the thoughts, will everything will be okay? How should I distinguish the notion of surrender and acceptance from laziness and passiveness? When I start to accept everything, any movement forward stops, everything stops, and this scares me. Thank you, Bhagavan.
You seem to be confusing the awakened state for non-action. An awakened person is a very active person. Only thing is, he feels that there's no doer there. In India, we have a number of awakened people who work in banks and who run their own businesses. But if you ask them, they would say, I'm not doing anything. So awakening is not non-action, it is full of action. Only thing is, you do not see you are doing anything. So I would recommend for you the wealth course, and I will bless you for wealth.
I love you, Bhagwan. Love you so much, Bhagwan.